What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Make AI with AI, the ultimate hub for AI and creativity. Today we're diving into the most mind-blowing AI tools of 2024. Get ready to supercharge your creativity. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Jasper AI. This tool is a game changer for content creators, offering advanced text generation to craft engaging scripts, blog posts, and social media content effortlessly. With Jasper AI, you can generate high-quality content in just minutes, saving you time and significantly boosting your productivity. Let's talk about Murf AI. For audiobooks, podcasts, or voiceovers, Murf AI is your best friend. It offers realistic voices that bring your scripts to life. Imagine a professional voiceover artist at your fingertips with Murf AI. For visual creators, Canva is essential. From thumbnails to social media posts, Canva's AI tools make professional quality visuals easy. With thousands of templates and intuitive design features, Canva helps you stand out in the crowded digital landscape, create stunning visuals effortlessly. Finally, we have Synthesia. This tool creates professional videos from text, ideal for tutorials, explainer videos, and more. With Synthesia, produce high-quality videos without prior editing skills. These are just a few of the incredible AI tools available to creators. Start exploring these tools today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. And as always, thanks so much for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to hang out with us.